If you want freedom, if you want independence, you need health. You are so welcome. I wish you good luck. And like I said, stay in touch with me so I can hear about what you're doing, okay?
I will.
Take good care.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.
So an issue that just came up with someone I just saw is a big issue for a lot of people. And that is that she feels like committing to hypernourishment and eating only the best healing foods is actually a loss of pleasure. And that's a really big deal, right? If you think that, certain meals just make me happy and you're giving that up, then you're basically saying that in order to heal, you've got to be miserable. You got to give up on some of your happiness. And we explored where that came from. I mean, there was a lot about, dieting and feeling like, you're being restricted and you're not allowed to eat what you like because you're too fat, and so therefore you can't enjoy food like everybody else. That there's so many emotions around foods. And the advice I gave her that I want to give you too is to realize that the most freedom you can ever have, the most happiness, bliss you can ever have is being healthy. She had mentioned to me that eating junk food once in a while feels like freedom and independence. Like, I don't have to eat salad all the time. I can eat other things. If you want freedom, if you want independence, you need health, right? I lived in the prison of lupus for 12 years of my life between kidney failure, arthritis, and migraines, and then blood clots, mini stroke. That was a lack of freedom. That was a lack of independence, that if I don't get enough sleep or stress gets too high, that suddenly I'm going to end up in the hospital or I'm going to end up sick and in pain. That is what truly being imprisoned by disease is like. And when you embrace the foods that your body needs to heal, that is how you create freedom and happiness in your life. So I always tell people, I say, take that smoothie. There's a green smoothie right here, and you kiss it. And I mean it. You kiss it. You hold it. You thank it. You bless it. Because this is where freedom comes from. It comes from creating your health. And you have the ability to take control, to kick disease to the curb. You have the power to do that, but you have to start telling yourself and reminding yourself that the junk food that you're craving, whether it's meat or dairy or processed foods or oily foods, that is where the prison is, and that you have the ability to set yourself truly free by eating the foods you need to heal and getting your health back. I hope you do it. You've got the key to your prison.